Hey everyone, what does it take to restart something that once defined who you were? Before 2019, running wasn't just a hobby for him, it was his lifestyle. He pushed his limits across 4 full marathons, 9 half marathons, and 6 10K runs. That is, over 417 plus kilometers of sweat, grit, and pure passion. But if you look for the official timing chips or digital certificates for those 417 kilometers, you won't find them. Back then, he never maintained any proper documentation because to him, the run itself was the only reward. Then, life happened. COVID 19 hit, followed by some personal family issues, and his running shoes went into the back of the closet. The rhythm stopped, the momentum faded, and the track felt further away than ever. But a true runner's heart never really sits quiet, and the itch to get back on the road was always there for him. The turning point came when he crossed paths with Ruth D'Souza from NEB Sports. Seeing her dedication and the incredible running culture, she helped drive spark that was inside him. It made him realize that it was time to dust off the shoes and lace up for a second innings, but this time with the proper documentation and a clear purpose. The stage for his official comeback was set for 7th September 2025, Sunday, the Kodagu Monsoon Half Marathon. Located in the stunning green landscapes of Gonikoppa in the Kodagu district, this wasn't just a race, it was an experience. Imagine running through winding roads wrapped in monsoon mists, surrounded by towering green trees and lush fresh coffee plantation. The crisp, clean air of Coorg was exactly what his lungs needed to be alive again. Stepping back onto the track after many years wasn't very easy, but he wasn't alone in this journey. He restarted this incredible journey with the invaluable guidance and assistance of Natraj K. Having that right support system made all the difference when his legs grew heavy and the hills got steep. The documentations are now official. The first medal of the new chapter is locked in, and the journey has officially restarted. This is just the beginning of chapter 2. If you've been away from something that you love, let his story be the sign to restart again. Hit that like button, subscribe to follow his journey back to long distances, and we will see you all at the next finish line. Bye bye.